Hello and welcome to another update video about VAI, VAI, one of the setups we discussed here on the channel a few days ago and already weeks ago and months ago. This is one of the coins we had on the radar here already early in 2023, since we had the first 5-wave move to the upside. Then we saw that corrective pullback into a trend reversal area, the next 1-2 setup. I think originally I assumed here that we had a 1-2, but it made another high, gave you another support area, it's moving, gave you another support area, it's moving. Could be gone now, could be gone. I hope it's gone. I hope it's gone. It would be nice, and it is, I already got a position. I did get a position a few weeks ago and I hold it still. I haven't taken any profits yet. Bought it around 16 and a half, somewhere here, when it was starting to go, so it's quite nice. I want to keep this as long as possible. This could take it to, in the next step, to $1.03 plus. Okay, so obviously not without setbacks, or maybe without setbacks actually. So the idea is obviously that also here, a 1-2 setup. Maybe we get another 1-2 setup, but then the market needs to do that before we get a sustained break above the 78.6 extension level, because typically it is the case that if we see a sustained break above the 78.6 extension here, then it often is gone. And that would mean that maybe wave 1 was down here somewhere, wave 2 down here. And this is all part of just the main element of the third wave rally. So that we're already in the third of a third wave rally already. At the moment, I keep the door open for another pullback, even if it's just for risk management purposes. But please be aware that it's already very likely that we are in a third of a third wave rally. If that's the case, 55.3 cents is the next milestone target for wave 3 of 3. Then also 81.8 cents and $1.03. Circle wave 3 as a 5-wave pattern should reach ideally $1.03 plus. I don't want to give a maximum here. So $1.03 plus, that's sort of the first ideal target. I would love if it goes a little higher to maybe 154. And then at some point we should get a 4th wave pullback and another 5. And then we just need to be on the side of caution, because this would then indicate, okay, more substantial top. We would then have to see, okay, is all of this a wave 1 and do we escalate higher? Or are we dealing with, and now I go to the 4-day chart, are we dealing with a large A, B, C structure? Because it doesn't need to escalate all the way, right? It could simply be a large ABC structure, which might, if it's really just an ABC, we don't have the context that would tell us anything different. It might only reach sort of 222, so again, at some point when these 5 waves are full, just be on the side of caution. I will then take profits along the way, but at the moment this is going nicely, and ideally to get a wave 2 pullback, we want to see that pullback before it breaks above 38.7 cents. If we see that pullback, it might be an opportunity. I always try to explain that once we've started a third wave, really a significant third wave, there are no guarantees for deep pullbacks anymore. So if the market offers them, there can be opportunities, but stop looking for them as soon as we break above the 78.6 extension. So it's looking good. Just want to give you a quick update. What is the next level to watch? The next milestone target will be then 55.3 cents, then 81.8 and $1.03. I'd really like it to get to $1.03 in wave 3, maybe even a little higher. So, and then there are different ways how this could play out in the subwave structure. But if you look at what EDGX did, or even FET, they were just a little earlier. Ocean, all these AI coins, they were a little earlier than VAI. So good that we had that one here on the radar in our community. So let's see if it goes now. All right. So what is support? I think we should talk about the support level. Well, if a wave 2, and I will not have it on the chart because it might not even give us a wave 2. But if now a pullback occurs, then the wave 2 support should be between 13.5 and 21.8 cents. That's my update about VAI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.